In today's world, you may not always be able to meet face-to-face with your clients, but that doesn't mean you can't help them get the insurance they need. With Columbian's voice signature process, you can take the application and get the client's signature over the phone from the comfort of your home or office. You'll complete the eApp or paper application just as you would in a face-to-face meeting, except that you'll read the application and any other required forms to the client, then get their recorded verbal authorization instead of a signature. For eApp, complete all screens and answer yes to the question, was the application completed by phone? Then select the Telesale button. Please note that point-of-sale underwriting is not available for telesales. Before applying signatures, scroll through the application and read the conditions relating to the application and the information practices relating to underwriting your application to the applicant. If the initial premium will be paid by immediate draft, read the conditional receipt. Read any attached disclosure notices or replacement notice. For all required signatures except your own, type Telesale in the signature pop-ups. You'll write or type your own name for your signature. When you're finished, submit the application and initiate the three-way call to record the voice signature. For paper applications, the review and signature process are the same. You'll read the applicable sections of the application and any additional required forms to the applicant and write Telesale on the signature lines for the proposed insured and owner or payer if different. Then start the three-way call to the voice signature system. All parties to the application must be available for the voice signature recording. With them on the line, place the call to the voice signature system. When prompted, enter your cell phone number. The call doesn't need to be made from your cell phone, but we'll need your cell number to finalize the process. Read the voice signature agent script from your Telesale procedure guide, pausing after each question to allow the client to answer. When you're finished, press the star key to end the recording. The system will send you a text message with the confirmation number and will ask you to text the policy number. If you used eApp, provide the policy number. If you used a paper application, type none. Reply when prompted for your agent number and the proposed insured's name, which will allow us to link the voice signature recording to the application. If you used a paper application, write the confirmation number on the application and submit to the company by mail, fax, or through the partner's website. Within 3 days of completing the application, mail the required disclosure forms to the applicant. For your convenience, Columbian provides a Telesale disclosure packet, which includes a cover letter and any forms you might need. Thanks for taking the time to learn about Columbian's Telesale process, which will allow you to keep writing business even when an in-person meeting isn't possible. This quick and easy process will help get your policies issued and paid, even if you're working from home. Please see the Telesale Procedure Guide, Form number 6085CL, or State Variation, for details, and contact our underwriting team or sales support team if you have questions.